Ready to power your RV without noisy generators? In today's video, we're revealing the top 6 best solar panel kit for RV that can transform your road trips forever. Stay till the end to find your perfect match, save money, and travel smarter. Welcome back, friends. Check links in description for the best deals. On number 6 is eco-worthy 200 watt. Most RV owners don't realize the real problem isn't buying solar, it's buying a kit that looks powerful but leaves your battery half dead by sunset. That's where the eco-worthy 200 watt steps in with surprising practicality. Built with two 100-watt monocrystalline panels, pushing up to 21.5% efficiency and around 800 watt-hour daily output in strong sun, it fits the sweet spot for travelers who need reliable off-grid charging without turning their roof into a power station. It's especially useful for RV beginners, campers, and caravan users running lights, fans, small appliances, or battery backup systems. The pre-drilled design, plug-and-play cables, and included 30-ampere controller make setup far less stressful than many larger kits. Compared with a premium setup, eco-worthy feels more budget-conscious, though the included PWM controller is less efficient than MPPT and may limit advanced users. Still, for practical everyday road life, this kit feels honest, dependable, and refreshingly simple. At number 5 is Renogy 100 watt. Most first-time RV owners make one costly mistake. They assume bigger wattage always means better solar. In reality, smart efficiency wins, and that's exactly where the Renogy 100 watt shines. Designed for travelers who want dependable off-grid power without overcomplicating their setup, this kit delivers around 500 watt-hour per day with strong sunlight and uses high efficiency cells rated around 22.5%, giving it an edge over many entry-level competitors. If your frustration is keeping batteries topped off for lights, fans, water pumps, or weekend camping trips, this setup solves it with simple installation: a Wanderer 30 ampere, PWM controller, and room to expand up to 400 watt later. It feels especially right for beginners, van campers, and small trailer owners. Compared with the other kits, Renogy offers less raw power but stronger monitoring options and cleaner compatibility with multiple battery types. The downside is the PWM controller feels less premium than MPPT systems, yet for steady RV life, it delivers confidence without unnecessary complexity. At number 4 is DOKIO 200 watt. The biggest mistake RV travelers make is trusting a solar kit just because the box says 200 watts, then wondering why their fridge, lights, and phones still struggle by evening. The DOKIO 200 watt changes that conversation with something many campers actually need: true portability. At only around 9.7 pounds with a foldable slim design, it feels built for movement, not permanent roof mounting. For weekend RV trips, vans, boats, and emergency backup setups, that flexibility matters more than flashy numbers. The long cable lets you keep the panel in full sun while your battery or power station stays safely shaded, and the separate PM controller adds simple protection against overcharge and short circuits. Compared with the heavier rigid kit, DOKIO is far easier to carry and deploy, though it sacrifices some long-term ruggedness and real-world output can land below the advertised peak, something users often mention online. Still, for travelers who value fast setup and light packing, this kit feels genuinely practical. On number 3 is SOLPERK 50 watt. Nothing ruins an RV trip faster than turning the key and hearing silence from a drained battery. That's exactly where the SOLPERK 50 watt proves its value, not as a giant power station, but as a quiet, dependable battery guardian. Built for travelers who need steady maintenance rather than heavy appliance power, it keeps 12-volt batteries healthy for RVs, trailers, boats, tractors, and backup systems with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells rated around 21 to 30% conversion and a waterproof smart controller for safer charging. The adjustable mounting bracket is a real advantage, helping you chase better sunlight without complicated installation. Compared with the others, SOLPERK offers far less output, but for battery maintenance and long parking periods, it feels more practical and less bulky. The trade-off is obvious: it will not run high-demand appliances. But for owners tired of dead batteries and constant jump starts, this compact solar kit delivers quiet confidence every single day. At number 2 is ZeroKor 300 watt. People buy a 300-watt solar generator expecting it to run everything in the ARV, then frustration hits when the coffee maker shuts it down in seconds. That's where the ZeroKor 300-watt stands out by being honest about its purpose. It is built for essentials, not heavy appliances, and that makes it far more useful for real travel life. With two 110-volt AC outlets, multiple USB ports, DC output, and a lightweight design around 5 pounds, it handles phones, laptops, cameras, lights, and small camping gear, without the noise or fumes of fuel generators. The included foldable solar panel adds extra freedom for road trips, emergency backup, and quiet nights off-grid. Compared with the solar panel kit, ZeroKor gives you instant stored power instead of depending only on sunlight, though charging speed from the 40-watt panel is slower and the 300-watt output limits bigger devices. For campers, van travelers, and backup power users, this setup feels practical, portable, and surprisingly reassuring. Now moving to the last one is Voltset 20-watt. A dead RV battery at sunrise can ruin an entire trip before the coffee even starts brewing, and that is exactly why the Voltset 20-watt earns attention. This kit is not built for running big appliances. It is built for something just as important: keeping your 12-volt battery alive and ready. With efficient monocrystalline cells, a sturdy tempered glass panel, and an upgraded pipped controller, it charges faster than many basic trickle chargers while protecting against overcharging and battery drain. The adjustable bracket makes placement simple, whether it is on an RV, boat, trailer, gate opener, or backup system. Compared with the others, Voltset offers less power output, but the pipped controller gives it smarter charging efficiency for battery maintenance rather than heavy daily loads. The downside is clear: 20 watt is limited for larger energy demands, and real output depends heavily on sunlight conditions, something many solar users mention online. For long parking periods and quiet battery protection, this small system feels surprisingly dependable. If I had to choose one true winner, I'd go with eco-worthy 200 watt. It hits the perfect balance of power, price, and practicality for most RV owners. It gives stronger daily output than Renogy 100 watt, more durability than DOKIO's portable style, and far more usable power than Voltset or SOLPERK trickle chargers. Unlike ZeroKor, it's built for steady solar generation, not limited battery storage. For reliable off-grid camping, battery charging, and real RV freedom, eco-worthy simply makes the smartest long-term investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar panel kit for RV. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.